Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing well. This printer is Epson Expression Home XP / 4200 series. Finish off your home office with Epson Expression Home XP 4200. It is an inkjet printer, great for colorful prints like holiday snaps. If you found out something interesting in your family tree, use the flatbed scanner to digitalize old documents and email them to relatives. You can even print wirelessly from your phone. No need to hunt for cables. This model automatically prints double-sided A4 duplex, saving you paper. It is affordable, compact, and easy to use with clear, vibrant prints and a 6.1 centimeter LCD screen. In terms of connectivities, includes USB port, Wi-Fi Direct, and Apple AirPrint. Plus, it uses Epson Smart Panel app. Print speed is 10.0 print per minute for black and 5.0 print per minute for color, with scan resolution 1200 by 2400 dpi and print resolution 5760 by 1440 dpi, and it uses standard 604 ink cartridges, which you can print around 150 pages for black and 130 pages for color. If you are using 604 extra large, you can print up to 500 pages for black and 350 pages for color. This printer comes with 1 year guarantee, and also you have option for Advantage exclusive Ready Print Flex ink subscription offer plus free extended Epson warranty. It is not compulsory. You can scan the QR code to find out. This printer is compact multifunction printer. Now we're going to unbox this printer, check it out, and see what is inside. Ink cartridges, black, cyan, magenta, and yellow included in the packaging. This is the power cable, 3-pin power cable. This is the information pack. Introducing refillable ink cartridges. And also you have, please return all empty cartridges to Epson. So this is for you to return empty cartridges if you got one. So these are stuff included in the packaging. This is LCD screen, the front panel, This printer uses real paper tray. So the power cable goes to this port and the USB cable goes to this port. This is the scanner, flatbed scanner. If you print out the document, it will rest on top here. This is the rear paper tray. You can load various sizes of paper, A4, and adjust this paper guide. A4 is the maximum. You can load photo paper, 4x6 photo paper, and etc. So if you lift this up, put your hand on the side, lift it up. Then once you switch the printer on, this ink cartridges holder is by the corner. It will move from this corner and position itself for you to replace the ink. The password for the printer and serial number are on the panel. So this is the LCD screen. This button is for you to switch the printer on and off. This button is for you to go to home. Question button, OK, is for you to confirm the function you are selecting. Have up and down and side arrow button. You also have plus and minus. This button is for you to cancel. This button is for you to start. This button is for you to go back. This is the information I thought to share with you. This is Epson Expression Home XP 4200 printer. Thank you.